Guys, so we had a snow ice storm the other day, and this is just some of the branches that did not survive. So yeah, there's tons of branches laying all around in the backyard, side yard, every which yard. These all came from that tree right there. So yeah, let me bring it to the other one. Whoa. This one, oh my, right next to where the garden is here. Look at this mess. What a mess. All that ice and snow that got stuck on this tree just pretty much destroyed this whole tree. I'm gonna have to have this one cut down this next spring. We'll try to get this all cleaned up here in the next while. Yeah, they're like, it's like all over the place here. Ow, who put them there? Oh, I did. I put them there. I just stepped on them. But yeah, so that's what happened to that one. I don't know, maybe we'll be able to trim it up or do something to it so it'll still survive. I don't know, it's pretty ugly looking going up now. It used to be nice and full like the rest of these. Maybe we'll just have to trim it up a couple feet and make it look beautiful. But then, I guess we didn't get the worst of it. Over by my neighbor's yard. I don't know if she's still subscribed to this channel or she just got out of this channel or not, but I don't know, her wire is like down on the ground and such. But yeah, she has tons of stuff here. Hey, there's my pot. I should probably throw that pot back in our yard. Otherwise people will get mad. Must have blown over this way, but yeah, she got the worst of it. And maybe now that the wire's down, maybe I can cut this tree down because it's pretty well dead. Probably get a little handsaw out and cut that one down and such. So yeah, but yeah, her yard needs a real lot of cleanup in the front. Lots of big branches laying around, and I don't know, maybe I should call the realtor and let them know that all this stuff is down, but I don't think they'll really do anything. So, but yeah, that's what's going on here. We didn't have any real damage or anything, so I think that snowstorm was storm and ice storm was a couple days ago, almost a week ago, I think. Now we lost power for, I don't know, like 24 hours and came back on at like noon on a Sunday or Monday. So yeah, that's where we're at here. So all right, well, if your life isn't interesting, make it interesting. Winners never quit and quitters never win. And yeah, we're gonna be burning all this stuff. I know it's a little wet, but you gotta keep burning it. I don't want to start pulling on any of this stuff in case another branch falls and hits me in the face. So, all right, guys. So you guys all have a great night. Oh yeah, look at all of it over there. I don't know if you can even see it all right on there, the edge there. But yeah, she's got a lot of stuff down in the backyard too. So, a couple branches way in our backyard too, but that doesn't really matter. So, all right, guys. See you later. Bye.